Hello everyone, my name is Maria Jose Gonzalez and today I'm going to talk about the rainbow. First, I want you to know what exactly is a rainbow. A rainbow is a multicolor arc made by light striking water droplets. It is in fact a full circle of light. However, due to most people viewing a rainbow on the ground, we only see a semicircle of the original rainbow. The rainbow is created by both reflection and refraction of light in water droplets in the atmosphere, which results in a spectrum of light appearing. The appearance of a rainbow depends on where you are standing and where the sun is shining. Now I'm going to explain how a rainbow is formed. It is formed when the raindrops and the sunshine cross paths. Sunlight consists of all the colors of light, which add together to make white illumination. When sunlight enters water drops, it reflects off their inside surfaces. While passing through the droplets, the light also separates into its component colors, which is similar to the effect of a glass prism. Each falling water drop actually flashes its colors to the observer for just an instant before another drop takes its place. A rainbow is usually seen in the opposite direction in the sky from the sun. And every person is at the center of his or her own particular cone of color light. The rainbow light is reflected to the eye at an angle of 42 degrees to the original rate of sunlight, like we can see here in the picture. The bow shape is actually part of a cone of light that is cut off by the horizon. If you travel toward the end of a rainbow, it will move ahead of you, maintaining its shape. Thus, there is no real end to a rainbow, and no pot of gold waiting there. Because the 42-degree angle is measured from each individual observed eye, no two people see exactly the same rainbow. Now I'm going to tell about the history of the rainbow colors. The technical details of rainbow color formation were first analyzed by Isaac Newton in 1665. Before Newton, nobody knew that visible light was made up of 7 different colors. People thought that light was just light and that colors were a mixture of light and darkness. They thought that bright red was light with just a little bit of darkness, and that deep blue was pretty much all darkness, but they were wrong. Newton set up a prism near his window and projected a beautiful spectrum 22 feet onto the far wall. Further, to prove that the prism was not coloring the light, he refracted the light back together, like we can see here in the picture. So the 7 colors that form a rainbow are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Most rainbows we see will be a primary rainbow, whereby the color red can be seen on the outer edge through to violet in the inner edge. The sky within a primary rainbow is brighter than the sky outside of the arc, like we can see there. This is due to the fact that the millions of droplets needed to make a rainbow are spherical and overlap to create white light. Also, we have a double rainbow. That is where a second, much fainter arc can be seen outside of the primary arc. This is caused by the light reflecting twice inside the water droplets. As a result of this double reflection, the colors of the second arc are inverted, with violet on the outer edge and red on the inner edge, like here. The dark and teal sky between the primary arc and secondary arc is called Alexander's band, after Alexander of Abrosychus, who first described it in 200 AD. We can see in this picture the Alexander's band. Very rarely, light can be reflected 3 or 4 times within a water droplet, which produces even fainter tertiary and quaternary rainbows in the direction of the sun. We have two kinds of rainbows. That is the moonbow, that is a rare lunar rainbow or nighttime rainbow produced by light from the moon. Our eyes see it as white even though all colors are faintly present. The other type of rainbow is called fogbow. It is formed by cloud and fog droplets. They are almost white with very faint colors visible. Fogbows are quite large and much broader than a rainbow. And thank you very much for your attention.